Do you want to learn how to create a working PayPal account after being banned from PayPal severally? Stay tuned to learn how to do this in this video.
So guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Jesus Global Consult YouTube channel. So guys, this video is just something I believe you're going to find interesting. If you're the type that really wants to create a new PayPal account after your previous account has been banned, it's a bad news and I won't want that to keep happening. That is why I made it compulsory to make out time to create a video to give you the do's and don'ts if you really want to get back on PayPal after your account is being banned. So if this is something you really want to know how to do, and if this is something you are aging to know how to achieve, just make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be revealing to you the do's and don'ts that you need to know, exposing all the secrets that is in PayPal for you to know how you can achieve and create a new account after your account is being banned. This is something you would love to know. So guys, stay tuned and watch to the end of this video, guys. See you in the video. Guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Jesus Global Consult YouTube channel. So guys, as I promised in my intro, I said I'll be teaching you guys the do's and don'ts on what you need to know, which means I'm going to be exposing to you the secrets in PayPal. And this secret is something that you won't want to miss out, because I'll be giving you the hints and why your account still get banned after you can still get banned after creating a new account. So I noticed that some persons will be like, my account was banned and I tried to recreate another one, it still get banned. So please, if you really want to know how you can create an account after your previous one has been banned, that means you are in the right channel. So you just have to understand that you stick to the end of this video, learn every of the detailed information which I'll be passing across in this video. And once you get everything, please do not forget to like our videos. Also, do not forget to subscribe, because the more you subscribe, it gives us the zeal to expose more secrets that we have that we believe that is going to be so helpful to you as an online entrepreneur. So guys, thank you my new subscribers, thank you for finding value in most of our content, thank you for staying subscribed to our channel. And to my old subscribers, sorry for most of the time for not posting frequently, but I believe I'll be posting more and more as time goes on due to time factors and how busy I have been. So please do well to please watch this video to the end. I'll be making it a brief one so you get every detailed information which I'll be exposing to you in this video. Thank you very much. So number one, I'll be heading on the first thing which I have on my desk, which is verification of your PayPal account. I believe already that most of you guys still don't get something right in this. Most of you think that whenever PayPal asks for you to verify your documents, you go ahead and upload any of your documents, or you just go ahead and edit some documents or try to Photoshop any document. Please, you are doing the wrong thing. Do not try that. PayPal is so sensitive that they notice and they know photoshopped documents and cropped documents or edited documents. Those things are just hindering your progress in creating a new account. The best thing I would advise anybody that wants to verify their account after it has been created, the best thing I would advise for you to do is try to upload your account, your documents back again. Though it sounds risky, I believe most of you will be like, wow, since my account has been banned, why the need uploading my document again, my real document again? So please, I want to make you guys to understand this thing, that PayPal doesn't save pictures. PayPal doesn't save pictures. They don't even know. All they just know that the moment they ask you for your documents, they check it, and once they checked it, they try to confirm if it is legit. So far it looks legit and it's legal. They approve your account without any stress. This is just the benefit you get in these things. The only thing that PayPal checks in images whenever you upload them is, one, they check at the metadata. What I mean by metadata means the information about this image, when it was taken and every other thing. This is just what they try to check. And again, they try to check if there's any effects or any other edited stuff on it. For most of us that think it's better you just go ahead and crop a video, you crop a picture and you upload to PayPal, believing that it's going to give you a free chance of getting approved. Sorry to say, instantly and immediately you get banned. That's just the thing, because PayPal is very sensitive in that area. And again, for most of us that thinks that, of course, I upload my real documents, but despite after uploading them, I still get banned. Let me tell you something that you're getting wrong here. PayPal doesn't also accept pictures. For instance, if you have taken a document, probably your new document, your real document, and you notice that whenever they ask for you to upload a document, though it was what you uploaded in your previous account, and you went ahead and upload that same document again, people will also notice that this picture has been taken for a long time, which means they are asking for you to verify something today, and you went ahead and you brought out a picture that has been uploaded, that has been taken for like 3 days or 4 days ago, and you expect them to approve that. That is totally wrong. That's why you notice that whenever they ask for paper, for instance in our country, whenever paper asks for verification, we go ahead and the picture of our document that we have already saved in our computer, we go ahead and upload it instantly. Whenever you upload such stuff, PayPal gets the account limited instantly and suspended. The best thing, as I've said, the best which I said is an expo, is for you to go ahead, camera your real document that same time, take a new picture of the document and upload instantly. So far it's a legal document, and it's a legal document, and it is very, very legal. When I mean legal, which means there's nothing like being photoshopped or cropped or any other effect on it, and it has your pictures on it. Immediately your account gets approved, and once your account gets approved, good and fine, you are good to go. You are free from any of these limitations that might come up again. So number 2 thing which I'll be talking about is changing of names. Please don't bother changing your name. Do not change your name whenever you want to try to register a new account after your previous one has been banned. Come to think of it, are you the only one bearing that name? Not possible. So I don't see any reason you trying to change your name whenever you want to create a new account. Make sure that your name as it is in your document remains the same whenever you want to create a new account. So please do well to follow these instructions while creating an account. And again, do not change your date of birth, because all those documents, your document really shows that this is who you are, and make sure that that same thing as it is in your document is what you are going to be registering with. So do well to take note of all this information and try to work on them. So guys, this video is going to be of 3 parts, though I believe I'll be sharing with you guys bit by bit, because I said I don't want it to be a longer video, which I have so many goodies packed down here, which I believe the moment I share it with you guys, you learn new things about how you can create a new PayPal account after your previous one has been banned. So guys, in my next video, I promised, and if you want me to drop this next video, I want you to go ahead to the comment section below and comment "I need more." When you comment such "I need more," that gives me the zeal to work on the next video and upload it to you guys. And this next video, I'll be discussing with you guys the country that you need to create with. The country, which means the exact country that whenever you create an account, though if you are probably banned before, the country you need to create an account with, that the moment you create an account with that country, your account will be approved instantly, no matter where you are, even if you are from non-supported country. It works everywhere. So this is what I'll be discussing in my next video. And again, the next video content is also the bank card you need to link. PayPal is very sensitive in bank cards, so you also need to link a bank card that has not been used in any of your account before, because those are vital information. So I'll be giving you guys the type of bank card you need to get, and once you have gotten such bank card, you can be able to link it to your PayPal account and you start using an account without any problem. So for you to get this video, just go ahead to the comment section and comment "I need more." Once you comment that is going to give me the zeal, give me the passion to work on this video and give it to you guys very soon. And for you not to miss out, do well to please like this video, and if you have gotten the value from this video, do well to like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to GGS Global Consult YouTube channel, because the more you subscribe, it gives us the do to make small researches that is going to be so helpful to you and your business too. Thank you guys. I believe you have gotten the value from this video. As I've said, my next video is going to be a boom, and what I mean by boom is going to be something that you won't want to miss. The country that you need to create your PayPal account with after your account has been banned, and how you can create it. So make sure that you stay tuned to this channel, stay subscribed, and do not forget to comment "I need more" in the comment section below, guys. See you guys in my next video. Love you.